beyond memorable. If you have all three Optimum services, get your free Optimum Rewards card now at OptimumRewards.com. And don't forget to smile.
A new career could really change your life, but how do you
Love you, Chewie, baby.
Start by making a list.
Love you.
And what you already like doing. Are you a people person, trained as a medical assistant, or a cardiology technician? Want to make a difference?
Love you, baby
Train as a
girl.
dialysis technician or surgical technologist. Change your life and change it fast. Call STAR today.
Call STAR today at 1-866-668-2221. That's 1-866-668-2221. Call now. 218. All hail the Metal Lord!
Those Bailey's think I'm God, huh? Hard to blame them. I am the Metal Lord. Who are you?
I am called Malachi, Lord. It means, he who really loves the Metal Lord.
Listen here, Malachi. Time for a religious donation. Hand over your wallet.
But Lord, we are poor and simple folk.
Poor? Ah, crap.
Pity me not, for I am richen by the love of my family.
What art thou doing, Malachi Jr.? I'm practicing to hug Daddy when he gets back from God.
Ugh, gag unto me with a spoon. Malachi, it's high time I laid down a few commandments. You got a chisel? Take this down. Number 1.
Behold, the one commandment.
Make it a double.
Can you find him, Professor? No, I'm afraid the smelloscope isn't powerful enough. Bender's odor is so mild it's being overpowered by local sources. Hooray! People are paying attention to me.
Fry, we brought someone to cheer you up.
His name is Helper, and he's eager to be your new best friend. Hello there, chum. I understand you miss your buddy. Have a pudding pop.
No, thanks. I
Who
don't...
wants to go to an amusement park?
Well, I guess that sounds okay.
Have a good time. Hey, I heard your friend Bender is back.
What? Really?
No, I just thought you would enjoy that for a moment.
Love you, baby girl.
Ooh, microbrewed. My guys did all right. I think I'll make my countenance to shine down upon them. Yeah. Yeah. Malachi, good work. There's no slowing down with the Metal Lord tonight.
Yes, tonight is kind of special.
Wait a second. Did you rip off your own arm as a joke?
Nay, like most of your followers, I was maimed building the great brewery. Others died from the pestilent fumes it